You just got a raise. You worked harder than ever. On paper, you should feel secure, even proud. But here's the problem. For most people, this moment isn't a win. It's the beginning of a trap. Because instead of feeling richer, your bills quietly get bigger, your stress gets heavier, and somehow, your bank account still feels empty. And if this pattern isn't stopped early, it doesn't get better with time. It gets worse. So why does earning more often make you feel poorer than before? This is what I call the high-earner paradox. It's when making more money doesn't build wealth, it builds bigger obligations. And once you're inside it, every raise actually increases the pressure. Over 60% of middle-class Americans are already here. Imagine Sarah. She's a marketing manager earning $85,000 a year. She didn't do anything reckless. She upgraded her car, moved into a slightly bigger apartment, joined a nicer gym, all reasonable decisions. At first, it felt like progress. But a few months later, she was living paycheck to paycheck, not because she failed, but because the system quietly adjusted her life to absorb every extra dollar she earned. And this is the part no one warns you about. High income doesn't make you safer. It makes mistakes more expensive. It's not your fault. Society, marketing, and the modern financial system are designed to accelerate spending. The moment your income rises, luxury leases, low monthly payments, convenience subscriptions, social comparison, each one feels small. Together, they drain your future. In this video, I'll show you why making more money can leave you feeling broke, why this trap tightens over time, and exactly how to break out of it. I'll show you why earning more is a psychological trap for the middle class, the exact numbers behind lifestyle creep and convenience spending, how modern expectations quietly tax your income, and my three-part simple wealth strategy to regain control. But first, let's ground this in reality. According to the U.S. Bureau of Labor Statistics, the average household income in 1970 was about $9,070 per year. Back then, a single income could support a modest home, a reliable car, and still leave room to save. Fast forward to 2020, median household income rises to $68,700. On paper, that looks like massive progress. But here's where the illusion breaks. Housing, healthcare, childcare, and transportation have increased far faster than wages, and the damage doesn't show up all at once. It leaks. Research from the Pew Research Center shows 63% of households earning between $75K and $100K report ongoing financial stress. That's the danger zone. The income level where you should feel comfortable, but often feel trapped instead. Why? Because the real cost hides in places you don't track. Higher mortgage payments, larger insurance premiums, and time-saving services that quietly become permanent. And this is where most people misread the problem. If your paycheck is bigger, but your bank balance keeps shrinking, it's not because you're irresponsible. It's because your lifestyle is expanding faster than your income. This phenomenon has a name: lifestyle creep. As income rises, expenses don't follow slowly. They sprint. In the 1980s, a new car cost about $10,000. Today, that same mid-range car costs $35,000. Your salary didn't triple, but your obligations did. And here's the part almost no one calculates. High earners don't just pay with money. They pay a time tax. $50 for dry cleaning, $30 for pre-cut groceries, $15 to save a few minutes commuting. Each purchase feels harmless. But over a year, those decisions quietly cost thousands. And once they're normalized, they're almost impossible to remove. Let's make this concrete. Imagine you earn $70,000 a year. You upgrade your car, $35,000 up front. Now add insurance, registration, maintenance, about $7,000 per year. Then you add a cleaning service at $150 a month. Pre-made meals at $12 a day. That's $6,180 every year, without ever feeling extravagant. Your income rose by $15,000 over 5 years, but invisible upgrades quietly consumed $20,000. This is how raises disappear, and the opportunity cost is even bigger. That same $35,000, invested at a modest 7% return, could grow to nearly $68,000 in 10 years. The difference isn't luxury versus discipline. It's comfort now versus freedom later. Housing shows this even more clearly. In 1990, $150,000 bought a family home. Today, in many cities, it barely covers a small condo. Higher income doesn't move you forward. It just keeps you running in place. So why does this keep happening? Because money isn't just math. It's identity. You start associating progress with upgrades, status with spending, success with appearance. Then social pressure kicks in. Friends, coworkers, social media. Everyone lives slightly above your level. And suddenly, your income feels smaller than it is. Add marketing manipulation on top. Monthly payments, 0% financing, subscriptions designed to feel invisible. And finally, the most dangerous part, convenience. High earners justify spending to save time. But convenience compounds quietly until cash flow collapses. The villain isn't you. It's a system that rewards higher income by attaching higher obligations to it. Understanding this is the first step out. Now let's fix it. Here's the simple wealth strategy. 3 rules that stop the leak before it starts. Part 1. Income awareness. Track every dollar. Not to restrict yourself, but to expose invisible drains. Awareness alone stops most damage. Part 2. Spending thresholds. Set hard limits. 30% housing, 10% transportation, 5% discretionary. This is where most people fail, because limits feel uncomfortable. But discomfort is cheaper than regret. Part 3. Wealth first mindset. Save and invest before lifestyle upgrades. Automate 20% of income. Before bills, before spending, before temptation. This is how income finally works for you. Enjoy your money, but don't let it quietly own you. Simplicity isn't deprivation, it's leverage. If this exposed something you recognized, subscribe for more videos. Breaking down financial traps hiding in plain sight. See you in the next video.